Hello, incredible English 105 students. Welcome to Unit 2. Let's take a couple minutes today and take a look at your Unit 2 assignments. You have two assignments this unit, a discussion board as well as an individual project. Now your discussion board and individual project are all found in your assignment list. So let's take a look at them both right there. Now when we open up your discussion board, the first thing that you'll notice is that there are two parts. You have a primary or main post due on Friday and two responses due on Tuesday. Both are a really important part of your grade and the discussion as a whole. Now as you scroll down, you're going to read more about your primary response or your main post. What you're going to talk about in Unit 2 is arguments. You're going to talk about a time that you had to make an argument to someone about something that mattered to you, and you're going to discuss 1, what that argument was, 2, how research did help or would have helped you, and 3, whether or not you were able to persuade your intended audience. Now, in addition to your main post, you want to make sure that you complete 2 responses by the end of the discussion, which is always going to be on Tuesday. Now, if you need extra help with this discussion board, you have some resources right here. You also have your resources in IntelliPath, and your instructor will post an initial post to the discussion board that will give you further guidance, instruction, and even some examples of what a successful discussion board post will look like. Now, once you've completed your discussion board, let's talk about your individual project. Now, you'll find more about your individual project in, again, that assignment list. Let's go there together. Now, you'll see that your individual project is going to be due on Wednesday, and it's worth 125 points. Now, an individual project does not mean an essay. It simply means a project. In this case, this project is you conducting research and then guiding me through the research that you conducted and the process that you actually went through. So let's talk through that together. Now, the first step when you're conducting research is to select a topic. In this case, you're going to choose a product or service that you are thinking about purchasing. That's going to be your topic. You're going to go out, you're going to conduct research, and you're going to find 2 sources of information about that product. Once you have all that information together, you're going to compile it into your Unit 2 individual project. In that project, you're going to describe 1, the product or service you chose, your topic, and why you chose it. Then you're going to list 2 of your sources, both sources, and you're going to describe 1, how this source helps you to make your decision, and 2, whether or not you think that source is credible or trustworthy. Now, to help you complete this individual project, you've got something amazing, and that is your Unit 2 individual project template. And you can download this right here in the assignment list. So let's download it together and take a closer look. Now, your Unit 2 individual project template breaks down everything that you have to do and submit to do your best on this particular assignment. You are going to describe the product or service and why you're thinking about purchasing it right here. And then you've got space to describe each of your 2 sources. So you can put the title, the author, the date, and where you found this source here. And then you can type your answers to your 2 questions about your source here. Again, how is the source helpful to you? And do you think it or consider it to be credible or trustworthy? Do you think it's giving you information that you can trust, and why? And you'll do that for both of your sources, source 1 and source 2. And there it is. That's all there is to it. Unit 2 is all about researching with a purpose, and the discussion board and individual project give us an opportunity to reflect on how we use research on a daily basis, and the individual project gives us an opportunity to practice going through that process together. Your instructor, and I cannot wait to see the research that you conduct and what you accomplish. If you have any questions, please reach out. Your instructor is always here to help. Happy researching, class. I know you're going to do phenomenal work in Unit 2.